Work on Parliament Hill. It's a dream for many, being at the center of political life in Canada. And there's lots of work. As many as 3,000 people have jobs as political staffers for the nearly 450 MPs and Senators.
You meet a good quality of people from throughout the country.
Matt Conway spent a decade as a political staffer, but it was a decade that he says was difficult for him personally at times.
There are times where all that stress, anxiety was literally paralyzing to the point where getting out of bed in the morning was nearly impossible.
Work as a political staffer is a high-stakes job. Long hours, not a lot of money, and almost no job security.
My next mistake is the one that's going to get me fired, and where am I going to be then?
But though he was struggling, Conway felt he could not ask for help.
Going to the chief of staff at the time wasn't an option because, in my view, that was putting my job and my career on the line.
Now, though, as the new parliament gets underway, a group of parliamentarians is urging colleagues to pay more attention to their own mental health challenges and to the mental health of their staff.
It's not an easy job. It is not a 9-to-5 job. It is a difficult task.
Awareness is good, but it's not enough.
Nova Scotia Senator Stan Kutcher and Toronto MP Ara Sachs supervised the production of a mental health handbook for parliamentarians. It's a resource guide to help MPs, senators, and their staffs.
And we want to make sure that in this unique environment that we're working in, that our staff and ourselves have the resources and tools we need to be able to make good decisions.
Conway says this focus on mental health is long overdue.
When people are exhausted mentally, that is not the good conditions, the proper conditions to have great policy decisions.
Which means improving mental health among those working on Parliament Hill could have a payoff for the entire country. David Akin, Global News, Ottawa.